Hello TankScan fans, in this video we're going to show you how to add a user. First you'll need to have admin privileges, and next we're going to start from the Grids Tanks window. From here I go to the upper right hand corner and I select the menu, pull down menu, and I select Administrative Console. It brings up a new tab in your browser, and I go to the upper left-hand corner. I select the admin and select users. And from here, I just select the new button and I fill out this form for the new user. In my case, I'm going to set up a view only, and I'm going to set this up for Jerry Houston, username Houston. I'll put a password in for him. It needs to be 8 characters and a special character. Select a time zone that you'd like the data viewed at. Select a format. Put in your email address. In my case, I'm just going to put in my email address. You can set up a text message out by putting in your phone number. No need to select the SMS format. I'm going to set it up so I receive all warnings, minor and above. And I'm going to set it up so I get the unreported alerts as well. And then lastly, I'm going to send the alerts to both my email as well as my text message filled in the alternate email section. With that, I hit OK. I have a password does not match. Looks like this one came up short. I'll re-enter that and let's give it a try. And there's success. And you see my new person entered in. That concludes this how-to video. Thanks for joining. And please find more quick start videos at tankscan.com/videos.